Welcome to Trusted Product Vault, a new journey.
How to initialize matched code of emitter and receiver. Step 1. When the emitter cannot control the receiver, first check whether the battery is positive and negative terminals are installed correctly, and whether the battery has sufficient power. Step 2. Before pairing the emitter with the receiver, the fan light's power must be switched off over 5 seconds. The fan light discharges and clears the memory. Step 3. Power on the fan light. Then immediately press and hold the emitter's on/off button until a B confirmation tone is heard, which means code matched successfully and it can work normally. Note: matching mode is not accepted if the emitter on/off button is not pressed within 10 seconds of powering the fan light.
If you like or buy this product, go to my website and click on Buy Now button.